the humble chicken breast, often seen as bland or dry, yet it's truly a canvas awaiting flavorful mastery. Today, we dive into transforming this protein staple into a delightful culinary experience right in your own kitchen. Start by selecting high quality chicken breasts. Go for organic or free range options, as these tend to have better texture and flavor. Trust me, it makes a world of difference, and your taste buds will thank you. Marinating is your golden ticket to flavorful chicken. Combine olive oil, lemon juice, crushed garlic, and a hint of rosemary. Let the chicken soak in this divine mixture for at least an hour. If time allows, overnight is even better. Cooking technique's actually crucial here. Use a cast iron skillet for even heat distribution. Once your pan is hot, add a splash of olive oil. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness about to happen. Cook the chicken for about 6 minutes on each side. Do not crowd the pan, as it lowers the heat and stymies that gorgeous sear. A meat thermometer will help ensure it reaches a safe 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside. Now, let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes after cooking. This simple step is often overlooked, yet it ensures the juices redistribute. So when you cut into it, it's juicy, not dry. An underrated pro tip. Let's jazz it up a bit. Create a quick pan sauce with those flavorful bits left in your skillet. Add some chicken stock, a splash of white wine, and a pat of butter. Reduce until slightly thick, stirring frequently. Slice your chicken breast against the grain, as this makes each bite tender rather than chewy. Drizzle that delectable sauce over the top. Tell me that doesn't look like a restaurant quality dish. Feeling adventurous, pair it with a side of quinoa and roasted asparagus. Remember, the sides complement, not overshadow. Balance is key to making this meal a wholesome, nourishing delight. For presentation, a sprinkle of fresh parsley works wonders. Not only does it add a vibrant color, but its fresh taste juxtaposes the rich sauce nicely. It may sound minor, but the small things truly elevate a dish. Chicken is versatile. Don't forget to switch it up. Explore adding spice with cayenne, or a hint of sweetness with honey. Tweak the marinade, experiment with herbs. And cooking isn't just following recipes. It's an art form in itself. There you have it, a simple yet mouth-watering approach to chicken breast. It's the perfect dish to impress family and friends, or for when you just want to treat yourself. Enjoy striding through your culinary journey.